What's up everybody, welcome to my new video. We're going to be doing some Code Wars. Now, let's say this one here, right away, right off the bat. Find the odd integer, kind of already have an idea of how to do it. Given an array of integers, find the one that appears an odd, okay, it's a little different. The other one was obviously you enter a number and you can tell whether it's odd or not. But in this case, it's going to be, so 7 appears, okay, should return 4, should return 0, because it occurs 3 times, which is odd. There will always be only one integer that appears an odd number of times. Only one integer. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and we'll start with, see, where's the beginner here? Okay. So function find odd. Then what's it gonna be, an array? So we'll do array like that. Okay, so we need to find, so first off, I'm gonna do every number. No. It's gonna be a let. So every number, every num, because they're gonna be appearing multiple times. So I'm gonna grab them individually. So that'll be a for loop through R. And so we're gonna do if every num dot includes, why is it not automatically, that's weird. Okay, so every num dot includes array. VS Code today is just, ever since this has been happening ever since an update. I don't know what the update was, but obviously it's not a good update. It's like it messed it up. Maybe I was messing with settings and I just kind of I don't know, messed it up somehow. But every num includes array. If it doesn't include, then every num dot push array I. If it does include, then skip it. So just for testing purposes, I'm just going to return every num. And I'm going to go ahead and console that out. So find odd. Let's do this one here, a longer one. So right here should be 1, 2, 3, and 4, just that. Just those 4 numbers. Let's see. Okay, so obviously, it's not really working. This is what I got in return. There's an array within an array. So that's a bit weird. If every num, let me go ahead and do something else. Let me do something simple. I'm gonna print out array I. Let me see if it's running through smoothly. Okay, so, oh, that's why. Whoa. I put 2, I don't know why, but I put 2 of them. I put 2 array, 2 brackets. Alright, so now it should be working. Actually, let me save it. There it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so now that it's working, I can now do another loop. I can do a loop through every number. Now I'm gonna do a for loop. So let's see. Let's do J this time. We're gonna loop through every num. And then let's say we're gonna loop through every num. I might have a loop for every num. We're gonna loop through for every num. I might have to loop through for each number. Loop through the array. Alright, so here I need to know what I'm gonna do. And I don't know. So I need to know. So I'm thinking about maybe there's an easier way to do it. Count for each number. Count how many times it appears. Huh. Okay, so I think I got it. So let's see. So if let's see. Okay, so through every num, run through each loop. I'm gonna run a for loop. If every num J, let's say for example it's gonna be the first one. If it equals array dot I, it's looping through the I. I'm gonna do a counter. No, 0. If that counter, I'm gonna add 1. And then we'll do for each loop. No, I'm gonna do it up here. I'm gonna do it for each letter. So that'll be after. Right, I'm gonna print out counter. Alright, let's see what this says. Okay, I failed right here. I'm gonna put a K instead of an I. I was thinking about this one for some reason. Alright, now it should be good. So 1 appears twice, is that right? It does. 1 and 2. 2 appears 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 appears once. So there's only 1 odd number here. Okay. Now, so counter. So only 1 integer will be, okay, so now that we have the counter, we can do another if statement. If counter divided by 2, this the modulus, not divided by. The modulus equals 1. Then let's say if the modulus equals 1, then we'll do. I don't want to return from right here. I'm gonna return from down here. So we can set. I can do like something. Let's say num. I was gonna set it to 0, but I'll just leave it undefined. So if it equals, so if it's odd, num equals. I'm still within the for loop, so I can still grab every num J. Let's see if that works. Return. I don't know if it's gonna work, honestly. 4. Okay, it does work. Yeah, okay. Let's try it out. I'm not gonna delete the console log right now. I'm just gonna check if it works. So I'm gonna just go ahead and paste it on here. I'm gonna run it through some tests. I'm gonna run the test, the regular test, then I'll run the attempt, which runs through like more tests. Okay, so I passed. I thought I was gonna run through more tests. This one only did 3. I've seen some challenges that run like 100 tests, bro. But it's cool. Submit it, and we're good. I'm a level 6. Level 6 and 135. I don't know what that means, but 135. And that's it. That's it. That's a wrap for that one. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a good ass day. Peace out.